Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Auto Sports, showing you a awesome Gen 3 4Runner that we restored. And not only did we do a full-blown restoration on this, but every single thing has been upgraded on this 4Runner. Hundreds and hundreds of hours in this 4Runner, from the reconditioning and restoration standpoint to all of the upgrades. There's no way I'm going to be able to go over in a 20 or 30 minute video all the stuff that we did to this 4Runner, but it was very fun to build. We were blessed to have a phenomenal client that was very patient with us, and anything that we asked him, he wanted done. It was yes, and it's great working with clients that really want high quality stuff done. So starting off with the exterior, you can see all of the upgrades that are apparent, but we did a full complete paint job on the 4Runner. Everything was removed off of the body, painted, reassembled. As you see, all of the upgrades, ARB bumper. Every single light on this is a Baja Sport light. This thing probably has $5,000 worth of lights on it. Rock sliders, top rack, as you saw as we walked around, rear tire carrier with Baja Sport flush mount lights that we did ourselves. We cut those out, put those in there. Those are also hooked up to reverse and have a standalone toggle as well. A lot of wiring on this truck, between the lights, the compressors, the inflation system on the tires. There's just a lot of lighting and wiring on this truck. So exterior wise, you see what it has. Really nice stance. Icon stage 5 suspension. Obviously full coilover setup. We have a very nice upgrade 6-piston brake up front, huge rotors. That's a 17-inch wheel, and you can see that caliper takes up essentially that whole half of the wheel. Fuel bronze wheels. This was requested by the owner. It's a inflation system. It's permanent. We had to do a lot of custom tweaking to fit this application and to be roadworthy of high speeds, but it stays on. It's hooked up to the ARB compressor. That ARB compressor also feeds the ARB front and rear lockers, 456 gears. Skid plates all the way down the 4Runner as well. Take a look at those brakes. Engine's all brand new as well. We even went to the extreme of ordering all factory OEM pistons, rings, all that, instead of, you know, some of the cheaper aftermarket stuff. So we rebuilt as much of the engine with OEM spec stuff. It's got OEM cylinder heads. So very thorough engine build. Another upgrade we did was a extended gas tank as well that feeds into the factory one. So plenty of fuel on this truck. Every breather has been upgraded as well. Stainless steel headers, high flow exhaust, catalytic converter. I mean, literally everything that you could possibly do to enhance the performance has been done. As mentioned, 456 gears. This is part of the line system that feeds in. We had to do a lot of custom fittings. When we build our vehicles as well, everything gets dropped. So, I mean, there was literally nothing underneath this 4Runner when we started. Of course, the rear track bar and all that good stuff has been upgraded. Interior was pretty much a full gut job as well. So removed carpets, seats, everything. We did all of our custom upholstery here in house. We rebuilt the bolsters, full dynomat, all upgraded carpet, obviously radio. Since there was so many switches and wires and everything, we went with a really nice system. I forget the brand of it, but it's the first time that we used it, but it's a phenomenal system. Custom steering wheel, well, custom wrapped here in house. Leather continues. Upgraded Alpine sound systems, speakers, amps. I mean, this thing has a lot of gear in it. I'll show you the battery and stuff that we did as well. We did additional batteries. New headliner. We rebuilt the entire sunroof components with all factory spec Toyota stuff. Give me 1 second. New carpet continues in the back. Dynomat, have a battery right here. Just open this for you guys. So this controls obviously a majority of the electrical system. So we got a massive Optima battery. You can see compared to my hand. Nice stainless steel box, all high-end connectors. Nice and clean. Cameras on board, all that good stuff. That's locked. We'll get to that here in a little bit. These are, it's a secret what's in each one of those. I'm sure you can imagine what's in one of those. Second Amendment is running strong in this vehicle. So here is the air system to inflate, deflate, all that stuff. ARB lockers, compressor, all sorts of stuff going on in here. There's a lot of other electrical stuff that I'll leave anonymous due to what they are. But this thing has all sorts of goodies on it. Yeah, so it is the system I was referring to is the Switch Pro. Really nice system. The whole air system has its own system as well. Got an Optima up front with upgraded connections. Besides the engine, the cooling system is all brand new. The AC system's all brand new. I mean, literally, there probably isn't anything really on here besides some few interior components, dashboard stuff like that, and even a majority of that we redid. The transmission is brand new. Transfer case has been beefed up. So literally every nook and cranny of this 4Runner has been upgraded. So very lengthy build. A build like this honestly is you know, a greater part of 2 years with everything else that we have going on. I mean, we do full complete restorations here. This is just our assembly department. Our body shop's over there. Service section is all in the front and upholstery is on the other side. So but yeah, it's an awesome build. Phenomenal client, very patient, and great ideas on this. So if you guys have any questions about any future builds, feel free to contact us at 855-955-3377.